Hi there, this is Matt from Telecorp. Today we're going to discuss the most common call our support desk receives in regards to our CentrEE Error product. This is when we get missing drive errors. The symptoms you'll see of this problem are when you're attempting to run the SuperClient software, you will receive errors that say things such as unable to retrieve client string or B permission error. We're attempting to look at the screen here of my PC that's running our CentrEE SuperClient software. I'm going to attempt to run the SuperClient, and you see I get an error similar to what you may be seeing. In order to communicate with the server that houses the Telecorp database, each client PC with our reporting software needs to have a drive mapped to the database on the server PC. We typically try to use the T drive if it is available and does not conflict with the IT setup for your organization. You can see here when I click on my computer, it looks like I've lost my T drive mapping. I no longer have the T drive, so my SuperClient is not functioning properly. You may need some help from your IT department for this next step, but I'm going to remap my T drive to my network server. Windows has a utility built right in here to Windows Explorer under the Tools menu called Map Network Drive. I'm going to execute that utility and map my T drive back. Now you'll notice when I go into my computer, I've got a T drive that's alive and active. At this point, if I choose to run the SuperClient again, you'll see that it's smooth sailing. I can connect in, run my reports, run some graphs, check on the stats, and do all the goodness that the SuperClient provides. So if you see this error, first, please check under your My Computer or your drive listing and see if you have a T drive mapping. Is there a red X across that mapping, indicating that there's a problem with your network? If you do have the T drive, try to double click it and see if you can access it. Just because you see the T drive doesn't mean that it's up and alive. If the T drive is completely missing, that may be due to some internal IT policies within your organization. The only thing that's required to get the SuperClient software working again is to work with your IT department and remap that drive. As always, our support desk is open 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. You can reach us at 800-634-1012. Or you can email the team at support@telecorpproducts.com. Please let us know if you have any problems.